Question 2. Johnny wants to know how much coffee he will need for 800 people at a meeting. Each person who drinks coffee will drink 2 cups of coffee. 10.6 grams of coffee is needed for each cup of coffee, and Johnny assumes 68% of the people will drink coffee. Part A. Using this assumption, work out the amount of coffee Johnny needs. Give your answer correct to the nearest gram. So firstly, let's remember this is a calculator question. So we can work each of these values out on a calculator. But we're going to start with the 68% of people. So I need 68% of 800 people. Now 68% as a decimal divided by 100 is 0.68. And so on a calculator, 0.68 multiplied by 800 gives me an answer of 544. And this is the number of people who are drinking coffee. Now each person, it says, will drink 2 cups of coffee. So 544 multiplied by 2 is 1088. And this is cups. It's a good idea to keep track of what these numbers represent. 10.6 grams of coffee is needed for each cup. So I need to do my 1088 cups times 10.6. And again, on a calculator, that gives me 11,532.8 grams. And so that's the grammage of coffee. Not sure that's a correct term. But give your answer correct to the nearest gram. Well, since this is 0.8 to the nearest gram, this would round up to 3. So the answer is 11,533 grams. Johnny's assumption is wrong. 72% of people will drink coffee. Part B, how does this affect your answer to Part A? Well, if we look back to the first calculation, if 72% of people drink coffee, that's more than 68. And so there'll be more people, more cups, more grams, more coffee will be needed. There won't be enough currently. He will need more coffee.